Yes, Kelia. So this is how you can fix the ceiling fan. So I just open it here. Okay, so now I find that the the wire burst and cause short circuit. As you can see here, it's black. That's why when I stop, I just hear the boom. So I'm gonna cut here and fix it and see if it's gonna work. Alright, so now we're just connecting here, and then we're gonna put it back by connecting this one on the ceiling, and then we're gonna check if it's gonna work or not. Alright, so now we install everything. We're gonna check. Wow, so it's working now. Increase the speed.